Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space.
What's up, beautiful babes? Welcome back to Sugarfingers. Yes, your girl is here working on these nails today. I am so happy about the nail growth. I'm super excited. So I just removed my nail polish, and how I did that, I just took my little soaking bowl right here, and it still has acetone in it, and I simply pour my acetone in there. This is the one that I use, pure acetone. This one I get from Sally's Beauty. It's called Beauty Secrets. And I make sure I pour me some oil in here. I just had this one handy. This is my olive oil that I use on my face and body, but this one you can get from Amazon. And I simply soak my nails and get all the extra polish off. In fact, I had this white nail polish on that I've had on for so long that it kind of was just peeling up, lifting up, and it was easy to get half of it off, and I just had to pretty much soak the tips off. Likewise doing my feet as well today. So it's just a nail kind of day. So what I'm going to do, I'm thinking I'm going to do a light pink on my hands this time around, because I've been wearing the white for a minute, so I'm kind of into pink right now. So I'm going to do the pink thing, and I kind of missed that on Valentine's, but I'm going to do that this time around. So we'll do it like that. But that's the nails, girls. I'm so happy about those nails. Oh my gosh, look at there. It's so great. I just can't get over it. But anyway, let me get these nails done. I'll show you what I'm up to, okay? So beautiful babes, I'm about 10 days behind in this video, but I wanted to still get it out to you. I just had to share with y'all my nails. But anyway, I am using a lot of melodysusie in this video. This video is not sponsored by melodysusie, but your girl is a melodysusie affiliate. Love their polishes. I love their top coat and base coat, which I will be picking out that to put on my nails. But today, again, I'm feeling pink, so we're gonna do pink. And I didn't do it for Valentine's, but I'm gonna get it done today. So this is the polish that I'm picking here, and let me see if this will focus today. But this is the color, well, it's actually a number, it's 1045, and that's what I'll be using on my nails. So we're gonna pick this out. And y'all, I am loving the fact that I get to polish my own nails. I don't have to do no nail enhancements and all that stuff. Just polish and go. I'm so excited. Take me just a matter of probably 15 minutes to get it all done. But because this is in a video, I did take a little bit more extra time by showing off all of the products and all of that. So this is the top coat. I'm also again going to use their base coat and get these nails whipped into shape. So let me get to it. Listen, I do have a melodysusie code that I will share with y'all across the screen as well as down below. Hopefully my code still works. And I was just checking out some more things that I probably was going to use. Maybe I was going to do this like ready for takeoff. This is a base coat that you can put on that you can actually peel off your nail polish in a couple of days if you no longer want it on there. I'm going to try it, but I changed my mind about using it in this particular video. So y'all say hey to Lucy. That's my little mannequin hand that I do nails on. And what else I have up here that I could use? Just checking out a few things. I definitely need a nail primer, so I'm going to use this Model 1's nail primer. And I got all of my products out. I have my polished number 1045 melodysusie, top coat, base coat, and nail primer. And I'm also using the melodysusie nail lamp. Now, as always, everything that I'm using is listed in the description box, so take a look down there. And I'm just going to go ahead and handle these nails, y'all. I'm so glad to have nails. Woohoo! Okay, girl, nails are done. Let's put some of our favorite cuticle oil on. Cuccio cuticle oil, love it. I know it's supposed to be cuticle oil, but I put it all over my hands. So there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, beautiful babes, just pop it in. That's it. We done. We out of here. Y'all make sure you keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.